Welcome to our basic tutorial series on Microsoft Teams. In this video, we'll be installing Microsoft Teams on an Android platform. Let's get started. First, click on the Play Store icon. In the Google Play Store, in the search bar, type in Microsoft Teams. Select Microsoft Teams. On the Teams preview page, you can see a rating for the application and some of its features at a broad view. Click on Install. You have to accept the requirements for the application to access your device. Download speeds will depend on the level of service that you have. Once the download is complete, click on Open. You are now ready to sign into Microsoft Teams.